Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Ankita Admirers. From last few days I was thinking of making a video and I could not decide on which topic I should work. I really want to do it because I'm getting an intuition, or you can say I'm getting a feeling that I should do something that I would do may help anyone, or maybe someone requires help. So I am doing it. What I have decided, I have done lots of meditation, or maybe you can say many kind of meditations, like meditation on for work, office, peace, money, this, that. But somehow I feel the main motive of meditation is to be in the nothingness. Okay, so, and the nothingness, through the nothingness, you get the answers from the universe, you get the exact directions that where universe want you to move. Okay, now if I talk about my current situation, I lost, not lost, but I left everything, as in, I couldn't decide, either I want to make money, I want to work like 9 to 6 job, or I want to study, because I was getting a question from inside, that what is the purpose of my life. Okay, so now I have decided to work upon it. What we are going to do now, because I like to like speak straightforward. So what we are going to do, and what I have decided for the best meditation, there will be no background voice or background music, because when I tried background music, what happened to me is, the music, means the kind of music it was redirecting myself in that kind of feeling. Okay, so for example, if it was a delta music, or if it was a 4 hertz, or music, or maybe something other frequency, then that was redirecting me according to that only. What I want is, I want it to be natural. I want to know what universe has for us. Okay, so what I have decided is, I will not go for anything, any kind of music, any kind of guided meditation. However, you can go for it. I am not offending them at all. They helped me a lot. I have been meditating from a long time now, but the lack from my side was, I was not being consistent, and consistency is the key that I got to know. So what I am going to do is, from the videos going forward from now, is, I will not have a time stamp. I don't know if I'm going to do it for, going to do the meditation for 5 minutes, 10 minutes, or an hour or so. Okay, so what we will do is, we will do the Om chant. Now, if you want to put your hands into the Gyan Mudra, you can do this, but even I don't want to go for the Gyan or the Dhyan. So I am just, devoting myself to the universe entirely, and I am keeping my palms like this, the upside open. I am not thinking of receiving any kind of frequency or releasing any kind of frequency. I don't know what the universe want to do from this, what I want from this. I want nothing from it. Okay, I am not doing it for peace. I am not doing it for. So how we will do the meditation? Let me tell you. We will just simply chant Om. Okay, now because I am already chanting Om from last 2 for 3 days, what happened is, there is a moment when I don't want to chant it. Okay, I just want to breathe in and then breathe out. So I will stop and I will do that as well in the mid of it. Also, for the Om chanting, there might be a chance that I can chant Om for a long run, and in some breathe I can, chant it for the lesser time. And the main reason is to find the actual, you can say, something that arise. Okay, something that is not given on YouTube, something that is not given in any kind of books. I don't want directions for it. I just want to feel it. I just want it to work as it has to work, right? So without further ado, let's start. I'm just rubbing my hands, not to activate energy, but to it feels good. And I detach myself from this family or the friends or any kind of thing around me, and putting my hands onto my lap, facing upward. I stop myself in accepting any human being's energy, any asset's energy, or any energy except the energy of universe. For the next time, I'm going to focus into my soul. The soul connection that I am feeling right now is from the navel to the middle of my eyebrows. Deeply breathing in, slowly breathing out, I devote this mind, body, soul, time, and everything to this universe. Taking a little bit time. After chanting Om, you feel, or I can say I feel, lot of vibration in my body, and especially the top chakra, the head part. Why I didn't decide the goal before, starting my own chanting? Why I don't want anything from it? Because I believe everything is limitless. From this Om chant, I would encourage you to, if you are doing any kind of meditation, I encourage you to do this meditation, or to, if you are listening to any kind of music, any kind of manifestation technique, do this, do this Om chant, do this meditation. Create your own self, put your own efforts. Do not you know get dependent on the music. Do not get dependent on the music, because you are limitless. And the my aim what my aim of making this video, I could do this without making a video, is to encourage you to go on this path, because I strongly believe, okay, if I can make changes in very few lives, if I can say 4 or 5 lives, oh, means nothing can make me happier than this, right? No matter if you are into like, if you do enjoy your life, do that, nobody is stopping you. Spirituality is nothing related to stop you from partying, meeting your friends, enjoying with them. Even if you take drugs, even if you drink alcohol, or even if you do everything that is wrong in the eyes of society or in the eyes of somebody, okay, do this, do this with anything, your job, your business, or maybe anything, your housework, your daily life. Make it a part with me, make it a part with me. I would try to upload this kind of video every day, so that somebody can fix a time of the day, they can do work upon it, and share your experiences with me on my email id, or onto into the comment box. I would really appreciate to listen from you. I'm really sorry, I'm getting some kind of throat. Each time I do this Om chanting, I feel some kind of, a stretch in my throat. And maybe this happens because when you chant it focuses on the upper part of the body, and I have the kapha dosha, so it gets activated because of that. All in all, people say that I'm not talking about my experiences. Maybe after some days I will share the experience with you, how it worked upon me or how it worked for me. But people say it changes your entire personality, how you look, even if you chant Om, okay, or Om, right, that's the right when you chant it works on the lower part of the body. When you chant O, it works on the middle part of the body till the throat, and when you chant it focuses on the upper part of the body. And also it works on 3 doshas, that is Vata, Pitta and Kapha, right, which is said in Vedas and Puranas. Please do it. Like, if you are not doing it, then there is no point of watching this video for an hour or maybe whatever the time it is. I couldn't make it for an hour today, but I would really appreciate if I would do this. That's all right. That's all right. Create some happiness in your life, no matter what, how many problems you are getting. I can understand, because some people feel a lot, so I can understand. Create any good habit, any habit, like maybe if not om chanting, that's all right. That's all right. Maybe chant a mantra if you feel it. Ask yourself, ask your soul what it wants from you. Okay, what can work well for you, and then do it. Like, don't do it for the, don't do it for the um, what I want to say. Do something like some kind of spiritual activity, if you can do, if you can, you know, do, if you can do puja every day, once a day, if you can do fasting, if you can, anything that separate you from the entire world, entire things, from from this family, friends, society, world, things, competition, this, that. Oh my god, do something. If you can't do for a long time, or what you can do, let me tell you. When you go to sleep in the night, become straight. Okay, means lay down straight, open your legs like this, put your feet like this, and put your hands like this. Okay, I'm not coming into the camera. Hands like this, and just put them, like make a gap between your elbow and your body. Don't touch it, and make it upward, like put your palms facing upward. Okay, like this, and then decide to not to move. And trust me, it will bother your body so, like, drastically, because see, we while maybe doing from a work from home or a work from office or any kind of work, right, when we lay down straight, it just makes like the peace, the relax that we get at that time, it's a shock for the body. Okay, it's a shock for the body. So when you will do it, initially it will bother you a lot, but gradually, when you will try to do it for a longer run, you will feel the changes in your body. You will feel that your, no matter how many problems are there in the life, in the day, you will feel there will be some kind of peace in your mind. You will not uh, before losing the the peace, before losing the peace, or before losing the temper, you will get a hit in your mind that no, you are not made for this. You are made for the peace, relax, happiness. So this was it. I hope you will like it, and this is just the start of my, my journey. So I'm really sorry if you are not liking my videos. That's all right. That's all right. We can't like anything and everything that is given in the world. Okay, but if you liked it, please do subscribe, and put the notification bell on, and also comment that how you felt about the video, what improvements I should make um, onto this channel or on in my videos. And also I'm really sorry, like it feels like I haven't done anything on my face because I don't feel like, क्या करना यार, मतलब सबके पास एक नाक दो आंखें एक मुंह होता है, खुशी स्माइल होनी चाहिए मन में, तुम्हारे दिल में बहुत सारा कंपैशन होना चाहिए. You should feel a lot of compassion, a lot of humanity. और किसी से जेलस मत हो, क्योंकि यू आर समथिंग स्पेशल ऑफ योर ओन. तुम्हारे जैसे आँख नाक कान मुँह किसी के नहीं है. सो बी हैप्पी फॉर इट और एनीथिंग. और अपना कुछ नया क्रिएट करो तो तुम्हें कभी जेलसी नहीं होगी. और खुश रहो हमेशा, अंदर से रहो. अगर बाहर का वर्ल्ड तुम्हें बोलता है कि तुम ये करो या ये करो, यू शुड डू दिस और दैट, फील हैप्पी फ्रॉम इनसाइड. Okay, so this was it for the day. I hope you liked it. Please let me know how can I improve, and trust me, I will not get offended, because if someone is saying something from their point of view, there must be something in that. Okay, so everything is taken. Rest you can connect with me on my email id. And it was nice meeting you. Hope to meet you soon. Bye bye, take care, be happy. Lots of love and light to you. May God bless you a lot. Thank you so much. Have a great time ahead. Bye bye.